Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix not being able to withdraw from PrizePicks. So guys, first of all, of course, you will need to check your withdrawal method. Open PrizePicks and go to the withdrawal section. Ensure you're using the same payment method you deposited with. Some methods like prepaid cards or certain e-wallets may not be eligible for withdrawals. After that, step number 2, you need to verify your accounts. If PrizePicks requires verification, check your email account or account notifications. Upload any requested documents like an ID or proof of address to complete the process. Step number 3, ensure you've met withdrawal requirements. Check if you've met PrizePicks' withdrawal rules. Some bonuses have playthrough requirements and instant withdrawals may require a certain balance. Try a different withdrawal option is the step number 4. So if your chosen method isn't working, switch to another available option like PayPal, bank transfer, or direct deposit. Step number 5. Check for processing delays. Withdrawal can take time. Check your bank or payments providers' processing times. Some methods take from 1 to 5 business days to complete. And after that, if none of these methods works, guys, you can just contact the PrizePicks support and ask them for help. And the final tip is going to be avoiding multiple withdrawal attempts in a short time, as this may trigger security flags and further delays. Guys, I'm really hoping that this tutorial helped you. If it did, press like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.